Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in a hotel right now. You don't know this, but it's literally about time to check out. As usual, I procrastinate and leave things to the last minute, but in response to YouTube's new guidelines, 4,000 hours, a whole bunch of minutes, we're dyeing my hair blue. I went to the store, I picked up the L'oreal Colorista semi-permanent hair color. This one's in the color blue 600. I actually picked up a purple one, another purple one, and a teal one. We're gonna go with the blue today. And I don't want it to be super vibrant, so we're actually going to mix it with just white conditioner. I picked up Tresemme. It's big, it's cheap, whatever. So we're gonna experiment, and I have some of the tools here today. I need a bowl, obviously, to mix those two things together. So I'm repurposing the ice bucket. I'm gonna clean it real good when I'm done. So let's just get into the video because it's literally like 10 o'clock. I'm supposed to check out at 11. This shit's gonna take like a half hour to apply and a half hour to work. So at that rate, I'm already late. Time to dye my hair blue. So inside this was like $11. I picked it up at CVS. But you get this inside, which is just the color, 4 fluid ounces. It's not a super amount of product. Honestly, if you actually see my hair, it goes all the way down, so I don't really know if this is gonna work right now, but we're gonna try. That's also why I have the conditioner, because I can kind of stretch the color. But in addition to that, obviously we have the instructions, we have some black glove and a little brush. I'm assuming if you wanted to like the ombre and all that. But I'm doing all of my hair, so I'm gonna use a brush to mix the conditioner and the dye, and then we're just gonna apply it all over my head. So let's get to it. Alright, when you open this, if you can see that, that is so like dark, so I'm hoping this will work. Like, this bucket might be a bit too big. Oh, just a little bit of the conditioner, a lot of the blue, looks like this, and we're literally just gonna mix this up. Oh my god, like, my hand's all the way in the bucket. So it pretty much looks the same. Now it just smells like conditioner. It's just a little bit more of it now, I guess. Does it look a little more purpley? Kind of. But I'm gonna put the last of this in here. Obviously we need all of it because I don't know why I thought I could get away with one bottle. I always do this. I really always do this. Obviously when you're doing this, you wanna wear a shirt that you don't care about. I just have an old white one that's like not even white anymore. So I don't care, but this will definitely stain. So I almost have all of the dye out of this. This is such a process. What the fuck? Literally trying to get every last piece. Alright, also you should probably have gloves on while you're doing this. I'm gonna do that now. You're also, oh my god, there's like multiple packets of gloves. That's awesome. There's like 3 packs in here, or 3 pairs. That's awesome. They did not cheap out. Alright, okay, L'Oreal, I see you. Give us a brush, give us all the supplies. Just gonna keep mixing that up. As you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, but it's like a darker purple kind of color. Literally like a dark purple. It's kind of cool. This does not look like enough for my hair, so we're definitely putting some conditioner in there again. And actually, because my hair is already blonde and I'm dyeing it blue, and it's definitely like more of like yellow right now, I think I'm gonna put in a drop of purple just so that it'll make it more blue rather than green. That's my logic anyway. If I'm wrong, oh well. But this is color purple 400. We're just gonna do a little bit of this, so if I can open it. This one literally looks like the same color, but we're just gonna do a little bit of that to give it more of the purple color. Now the reason I'm mixing this with conditioner obviously is 1, to stretch out the dye because I obviously didn't buy enough, but 2, to make it less vibrant. I'm looking to get more of like a pastel type of color, but again, because of the color of my hair right now, it's not gonna become that like clear or vibrant. I wanted my hair to be really pastel, like really look nice. I would want to bleach my hair, tone it, have it as white as possible, and then put this color on, but we don't have time for that. I'm finally happy with kind of like the amount in the color that I think it is. It looks more like a purple. I as you can see right here, definitely more of like a purple color. So I'm just gonna section off my hair and we're gonna start to apply this shit. Alright, so you want to split off your hair into like 4 different parts so it's even and you don't miss anything, especially when you're dyeing your whole head. Obviously you want to make sure your hair is brushed, clean, all that stuff, but my hair is super dry so I haven't washed it in like 3 days. But that's personal preference and what you want to do as far as damage to your hair. Game plan? I'm just gonna put this shit on my roots first because it's a lot darker, so I don't know. I don't know what we're doing right now. This is an experiment. We're gonna see. Oh my god. No going back now. Okay. So it doesn't smell bad, but it feels weird that I'm literally putting purple stuff on my hair. It's gonna end up blue, but still weird. Alright, I already think I'm running out of hair dye. Crap. Get the roots, I'm literally about to start letting the other pieces down just so that I can make sure every part is getting covered because I'm not trying to run out of dye here. Definitely not trying to run out. This bucket looks disgusting. I also probably should have like put Vaseline on my hairline to protect it from staining. So if you guys want to do that, I would advise so. But as I said, I'm supposed to be checking out in like 30 minutes. So, and I'm dyeing my hair, so I don't have time. And we'll be back when this shit is completely dyed. Alright guys, I have officially covered my entire head in hair dye. As usual, I ran out, so I actually mixed a little bit more of the purple with the tiny little bit of blue that was left and more conditioner. So I'm probably going to have more of an overall purple tone, I think, now than a blue. Or maybe the purple will just counteract the green from the blue. I don't know. This is really, I have no idea what this is going to look like when it's done now, but I literally have about 20 minutes until I have to check out. This has to sit for 30, so I'll probably check in later after I wash it out and show you guys like the final product and everything. But yeah. Alright guys, it's officially 30 minutes later, or like 25 because I ran out of time, but I think this is as bluish as it's gonna get. It doesn't really look like it's that like vibrant. I didn't want it to be like vibrant, I want it to be pastel, but it doesn't look like it like took that well. But we'll see once we wash it out and I'll check back in. But that'll probably be in a couple hours because I'm late. So my hair's fucking green. That's all I have to say.